Good morning. We are here at the home of Dawn and Michael in Lookout Mountain, Golden, Colorado, and we will be replacing a water service starting from this curb stop, continuing down to the house. We will be trenching approximately 95 feet to install this new water main. We do have a propane tank that's just off to the side about 20 feet. We still need to get locates to verify where that underground line is so that we don't encounter it on the way down. This water line will be approximately 5.5 foot deep to be low enough so that we are below frost line. It's on a very steep incline going down toward the house. We will be trenching in between the trees to make our way down to the house. As we come down and get closer to the house, we do have a underground cable television service that has been marked, identified by orange paint. It'll be going right across our trench, so we'll dig with care to make sure that we don't encounter that. The electrical and telephone lines are overhead, so they should not be impacted as we're trenching through. Decking has been removed to allow us to continue our trench up to the house where we will be bringing the new water service in. We're bringing it in approximately 2.5 feet from the side of this window, coming into a closet on the lower level of the home. The existing water service is coming up through the floor toward the center of the home. Entering into the home, we'll be protecting the floorway with plastic sheeting and tarps. Take care of foot traffic. We'll also be hanging plastic sheeting within this room to contain dust as we are jackhammering up the floor. The jackhammering will take place in this corner of the closet where the new water service will come in. We'll jackhammer out that floor, excavate down by hand underneath the foundation wall to bring that water service in. Again, ensuring that we're at a depth adequate enough to protect from freezing. The new water service will then come in, go through this wall, enter into this cavity below the stairway that we just came down, and then reconnect to the existing water service. The existing water service is coming in right behind this stud through the floor, comes in to a shut-off valve, and then a pressure-reducing valve, and then a redundant ball valve. We will be cutting it just below that ball valve and bringing the new line back across to tie in with the new service that we're bringing in. Again, of concern, we have gas line coming in from that propane tank on the outside, which looks like it's sweeping back toward the exterior of the house near the same direction that we will be doing our trench in. Again, as we get this located, we'll ensure that we don't encounter this line and pierce it as we're excavating. We anticipate this job to take a day, possibly two. We'll be working in conjunction with excavators on the outside and plumbers on the inside to tie the line back together. With this line taking a day or two, they may be out of service overnight without water, so the homeowner will draw enough water to hold overnight in case they don't have water for this evening.